just so y'all know, okay? So I made, hold on. I made. If you're not caught up on the previous vlog, make sure you get all caught up. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, and this is what we're eating today. You all always know, I always, if you've been watching my videos, you know that this girl gotta have her some sweet potatoes. And we have some garbanzos. We have kale and basil. We have cucumbers, purple onions, yellow bell pepper. Using everything that's in the fridge, and I'm getting ready to go on a little vacation, so I don't want to buy anything new. And this is leftover melon salad that I made, which is blueberries, basil, mint, and canary melon. And then I'm gonna add some dragon fruit to it. Okay, so I've added the dragon fruit, and they're not as sweet. This one isn't as sweet as isn't normally is. They're never sweet, but this one is still not as sweet. We're gonna spruce it up with some more basil and mint. We're gonna add that on top. And we are also going to add some lemon in there. It's a nice mix, a very, very nice mix. Our bell peppers, our garbanzos. That way we are going to have dinner ready for later. Our garbanzos. Oh, and just in case you guys thought I couldn't add anything else, we did add some peaches to that. That way, no, nectarines. It looks so good, smells amazing. I had a sweet mamie that was almost going bad. This is native to Central America and the southern part of Mexico. It's very dense, but it also has a sweet and creamy taste. I can give you the taste of sweet potato, pumpkin, almond, and brown sugar, but similar to a ripe avocado. Very good. Sweet mamie, you all must try. Let's get back into the video. quick, if you like my sister girl loungewear, sold at Ross. That was some work. That was hours. And I should have looked at when I started it to when I finished it. And I had to stop, had to sit down, got on the phone, like, oh my goodness, that was some work. But the cabinet is now clean. The drawer is clean. The junk drawer is clean. Y'all see I put these lentils on. I gotta check those. Lentil for dinner is gonna be lentils and avocado. Making it a healthy day and getting all this water in. But baby, you gotta do some work too. I have been dreading that for a minute. And it's crazy because I clean it out, okay. It was every 3 months and it went to every 6 months. And sometimes I stretch it, but I think that's been about 6 months because it was like right before my surgery. I cleaned it, I believe. And I'll be doggone, you still end up getting a whole bunch of stuff that you throw out. And then I have a small pile that I'm gonna post on the Nextdoor Neighbor app. But the Nextdoor Neighbor app, I'm gonna get some more stuff together though first before I post it. And yeah, so just wanna make sure that I'm not throwing out what can be eaten. And also that I am keeping things organized because it helps me keep my mind clear. And also that I'm not just hoarding a bunch of stuff. Yeah. There's our lentils, which smell so good. Here's our avocado. We're going to have half of that, and we're going to eat this watermelon that is not sweet. But I do have some leftover fruit salad from yesterday, so I'll just most likely go ahead and eat that. I may take that watermelon back. There's no sweetness. But anyway. All right, and dinner time, it is 7 o'clock, so well, 7:02. So we have our lentils, we have our avocado in there, and then we have our leftover fruit salad from yesterday. So hey, yeah, just want to say this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, I do want to thank you so much for tuning in. Other than that, it's been fun, but this girl is done. Bye guys.